Alright, just a little example of what I do, or what I've been doing lately, turning these crew houses. I mean, you got this wall here. That's the wall. And this is how the crew houses look. Actually, I'll keep the phone like this. Everything's rotten. All this paint is something that I painted things in here with. Just the floor. Kitchen. Okay, this is where I started, so I'm going to start there again, even though things changed. That's the vent for the bathroom. The door was not here. I put it there, and we'll go back around here to check it out, and then go back to the door. Okay, I have to go all the way down. All new floors, all new walls, windows, new roof. Well, that's the same AC, new box. Okay, this was all, you can remember, all falling down. The corner over there was coming out completely. Been raining out here, so it's muddy in here a little bit. So you're not gonna recognize what happened, because I'll come over here, because this is where the door was. So I walked in here, and then they had all kind of stuff here, right? The cabinets, kitchen. They had the walls, bathroom. This is all open space now. That's the living room. I did redid everything at the top. Made it into a 1-bedroom. That's the bathroom, it's real dark. And still got a little bit of work to do with some electric work, obviously. New doors, new everything. So that's how it looks now. You've seen it at the beginning. Now it looks brand new. Once it's all nice and clean and mopped and everything taken out of here, brand new. This thing cost them not even $300 to buy it, as you've seen it. This right here cost them about $10,000 to fix. Now they can sell it for $50,000 as a crew house. There you go.